Hey everybody, this is Joe Pace with Icewater Yoga, and today I want to give you a holiday gift. It is Christmas Eve as we release this video, and just want to give you a very brief 10-minute restorative yoga class to just settle into the holiday, just gain a little bit of perspective and gratitude for all of the season's greetings that are going on right now. So lightly spending some time in the body, never rushing, just taking 10 minutes to do a little bit of yoga here. Okay, so we'll start on our backs. Gently roll down, rest your head on the mat or the floor, and gently hug your knees in towards your chest. Settling into deep breath as much as you can. Slowly in through the nose. And out the nose. In through the nose. And out the nose. Last time here, inhale. And exhale. Gently place your feet against the mat. Walk your heels in towards you. And press your triceps into the mat. We're going to take one bridge pose. So press weight into your heels as you lift your hips up. Only feeling weight in the heels. Knees are drawing in towards each other and the knees are right over the ankles. Press into your triceps lightly and maybe walk your shoulders down towards your heels for 3. 2. Last inhale. Exhale, lower down. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. Extend your left leg long. And then hug your right knee in towards your chest. Even further. From here, place your right hand out to your right. Take your left hand to the outside of your right leg and bring it across your body, keeping the right shoulder planted against the mat. So this is a nice reclined twist. But we're not letting the right knee get any further than what we're allowing with our right shoulder blade. So keep the right shoulder blade planted against the mat as you breathe. Back through center on an inhale, hug the right knee in. And then switch legs. Left knee comes in towards the chest, extend the right leg long. And then hug in a little bit deeper, get a nice deep hip stretch, and then bring the right knee across the body, left knee across the body, coming onto the right hip. Left shoulder blade planted down firmly into the mat. Breathe deep for 3. 2. 1. Come back in towards center. Hug the left knee in towards the chest. And switch sides again. Right knee comes in towards the chest. This time, play around with your right knee. So if you use your body a lot, you may have even taken a workout today or yesterday. Just noticing that we don't have to be static in yoga all the time. So just move this knee around to get some lubrication in your right hip joint. And maybe hang out in a spot that you wouldn't have hung out in if you were just hugging the knee into the chest. Finding the external rotation, adduction, abduction, internal rotation of the hip. Okay. Extend the right leg long, switch sides. And then your left knee becomes a joystick. We don't really get joysticks with our Christmas gifts anymore. It's kind of sad. Well, I celebrate Christmas, whatever you celebrate. Hug both knees into the chest and gently roll forward and back. Forward and back. Slowly cross the legs in front of you, plant the hands down, and then step both feet back. We're going to plant the hands underneath the shoulders, and then inhale, lift the chest through the arms with the knees right underneath the hips, tailbone lifts. Exhale, press the mat away. Cat pose. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, arching the back. Exhale, rounding the back. Last time here, inhale. And exhale. From here, come back to a neutral spine and step your right foot forward. Left knee right underneath your left hip. Arms will rise overhead and we're in a nice low lunge here. If you feel comfortable, the right foot can walk forward. Let the hips shift directly forward, not letting the hips pitch down, but keeping the hip points lifting high. Again, shifting the hips forward to any degree for 3. 2. 1. From here, plant the hands down. Step the left foot forward to meet the right. And then let your head hang heavy, grab opposite elbow. Trying to spin the knees in towards one another, the inner thighs in towards one another to spread the stretch out in the hamstrings. Lift your sit bone, lift your tailbone. For 2. For 1. Plant your hands down, step your right foot back. Gently take the knee to the mat, and this doesn't have to be the same as the other side. It can be any distance from your front heel. Lift tall. We're here for about 3 or 4 breaths, so just enjoy shifting the hips forward. Again, not letting the hips rotate down. Keep the tailbone down, keep the hips lifting, let the arms rise. Gently place the hands down, right foot steps forward. Again, we're in this hinging forward fold. Bring the feet parallel. Feet are about hips width distance. You can grab the backs of your calves if you'd like, bend into the knees, let your upper body rest on top of your legs. Straighten your knees to any degree, getting a nice stretch in the hamstrings. This time, step your left foot back. Keep the left knee on the mat. Keep the left hand on the mat. 2 things here. We're going to take 1 inhale with the right hand to the right knee. Twist it open to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Maybe bend your left knee. Maybe grab the left foot with the right hand. Gently pull on the left foot. Press down through your right foot. So you don't have to worry so much about grabbing the left foot with the right hand. You can just bend the knee or you can just stay in the twist. For 2. For 1 and release. Step the left foot forward, gentle forward fold. Take the right foot back this time, right knee down, right hand plants into the mat, left hand to left knee. Twist it open for 1 inhale. Exhale, bend the knee, option to grab the foot of the right leg, and then gently twist it open as you pull a little bit deeper into the right leg. Let the hips shift forward, not down. Gently release right leg. Step the right foot forward, forward fold. Gently step both feet back. Plank pose, knees to the mat, knees wide on the mat. Sit it back towards your heels, child's pose. Enjoy the next 5 breaths as we close practice. gently press yourself up, sitting in a kneeling or seated position. All right. As a gift from us at Icewater Yoga to you, a nice, easy 10-ish minute stretching, restorative-oriented practice. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great holiday. Please enjoy this gift, and we hope to share many more with you in the future. Namaste.